2 to the power of h minus 2 should be greater than 2 because only we need 2 IP address. And this means that we need only 2 bits of hosts. This is the first requirement. After that, 2 to the power of s should be greater than 7 again. Because of that, we need only 3 bits. And finally, we need 2 plus 3, 5 bits for our design. And also we have 5 bits. Why? Look at here. In this scenario, as you can see, we have 5 bits of hosts. Because of that, we can use this 5-bit for subnetting. You know that now we are using these networks 192.168.1.224/27. This means that we use the 27 bits for network or subnet, 27 bits for network plus subnet. Network plus subnet has 27 bits, and we have only 5 bits of host. And here we need only 5 bits. Because of that, we can design this requirement. It's so easy. Again, we need to repeat the process of the requirement A now for requirement B. Let me to start from here. Look at here. We have this address 192.168.1.224/27. As this means that the address is 192.168.1.111.224, okay? And also, and now these 5 bits are available for the hosts, okay, /27. Now I'm going to subnet these host bits because you know that here we need only 2 bits for host and also 3 bits for subnets. Because of that, we can subnet again this network to for example this subnet 192.168.1.111. then we can use 2 bits of the 3 bits of the 5 bits of the host for the subnet and only 2 bits for the host. This means that we are subnetting the /27 network to for example some /30 network. Look at here. If you use 3 bits for subnet, actually you use the /30 bits for the subnet and networks. Because of that, now we can start the design. Look at here. Here we have again the same condition we had in the for example scenario A. We can copy this part of configuration, this part of scenario of the scenario A. Look at here, and after some change we can use this table. Look at here. You know that we need to change the values of the triple S. Here we have triple S. Triple S can be 000, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, and 110, and finally 111. Okay, let me to write the last 111 here. Okay, and after that, now we can change the values. Look at here. You know that the first 3 bits are 1. Let me to change the first 3 bits to 1. 111. Okay, 111, again 111, then 111, 111, and 111. Okay, you know it. And now we are using these 3 bits for the new subnet bits. This means that this is our scenario. Look at here. These 3 bits can be 000, 001, 010, 011. Again, the same process, but now for these 3 bits. Then 100, 101, 110, and finally 111 /30. Okay. Now we have 2 bits for subnets. Let me to change all of these 27 to 30. Okay. 30, again 30, and then 30, and finally again 30. Okay, look at here. First, we need to find the network address. For network address, we are using the 00 or 0 instead of the host bits. Because of that, the first network address for the first network is 192.168.1.224. Okay, 224. Let me to write here /30. Okay, only I converted the binary to decimal. And this is the first networks. The second network, look at here, 224 plus this is equal to 4. Okay, 224 plus 4 equal to 228. That's it. After that, again, 224, okay, plus 8 equal to the 232. So easy. After that, again, 224 plus, for example, 8 plus 4 means plus 12 equal to the 236. Okay, and after that, here 224 plus 16 equal to 240. After that, here we have 224 plus 16, 240, and then plus 4, 244. And after that, the next networks, 224 plus, for example, 16, 240 plus 8, 248. And after that, 224 plus 16, 240, 248, 252. That's it. Also, we need to change all of the masks to /30, okay, and then /30. In each /30 subnet mask, we have the, for example, 2 usable hosts, and then that's it. Let me to find the broadcast address. For broadcast address, you know that we need to use, instead of the host bits, okay, instead of the host bits, 1. This is the first broadcast address, 192.168.1. Here, you know that the first 3 bits are 1. Let me first change all of the first 3 bits to 1. Okay, this is the network that we have. The first 3 bits is 1. Okay, and after that, here again, the first 3 bits is 1. You know that we are subnetting the 192.168.1. 224, you know it, okay, and after that 1, this is 1, that's it. Okay, now we have these 3 bits as subnet bits, you know it, okay. Look at here, these 3 bits are subnet bits, again subnet bits, okay, and then subnet bits. But because of that, for subnet bits we can use here a 000, here 001, here 010, for example. After that 011, after that 100, then for example 101, and after that 110, okay, 110, and finally 111. Now I used the 11 or double 1 for the instead of the bits of the host. Because of that, now we can calculate the broadcast address for these networks. Don't forget, you need to change all of these 27 to 30, again 30. Let me to change all of them. After that, we can calculate the decimal values of the networks. Okay, it's so easy. It is only the calculation. Okay, you can easily do this calculation if you learn about the concept. Okay, because of it, don't worry about the calculation. You will practice this scenario and you will learn about all of the detail. Let me to calculate 192.168.1 224 plus 3. This is 3. Okay, plus 3 equal to the 227. You know that this value should be one number less than the next network address. 227 is less than one number from the 228. Let me to calculate the next. 224 plus 4, 228 plus 3, 231. Look at here, 231. This is one value less than the 232. Again, 224 plus 8, 200, for example 32, then 235. That's it, 235. And as you can see, this has one number less than 236. Let me to write another values, 239, and after that 240. 239, this is the 239, one number less than 240, then 243, 247, 200, for example 51, and finally 255. And we need to change all of this 27 to /30, then 30, again, and finally now we have this number. Okay, after that we can find the host addresses between these two values. You know that in each network we need only 2 IP addresses. Look at here, 224 is the network address, 227 is the broadcast address. Because of that, we have two numbers here, 225, okay, and also 226. It's so easy. Let me to write here. Very good. After that, for the next networks, we have 229, okay, to 230 between the 228 and 231 between the network address and broadcast address. You learn about it. And then 233. After that, here we have 234. After that, in the next networks, we have 237 to 238. Okay, 238, that's it. And after that, in the next networks, we have 240, for example, 1 to 242. Okay, this is only calculation. Okay, you can use some calculator or calculators for this design, but it's better to design yourself, because this is one of the abilities that you need for maintaining the network, for troubleshooting the network. The 245, the next networks, 246, and after that 249 to 250. Okay, and the last networks has this host 253, 254. That's it. Okay, here now we have 7 networks, and let me to correct them. Here we have 8 networks. You know that we need only 7 networks. Because of that, we can use the first network 192.168.1.224/30 for the network 1, and then network 2, network 3, network 4, network 5, network 6, network 7, and again now we have one spare network. We can, for example, save it for the future usage. Okay, this is our design. In this design,